Let's be honest, your face doesn't lie. You can fake confidence, you can style your hair, you can even hide behind filters. But deep down, you know your face looks tired, puffy, and low energy. That's why people don't treat you like the high-value man you want to be. Here's the truth. Your face can literally be reshaped. Not with surgery, not with fake glow-up gimmicks, but with a daily routine that rewires your hormones, your structure, and your aura. In this video, I'll give you the 6 key steps to permanently change your face. No fluff, no BS. 1. Stop sleeping like a corpse. Most guys sleep flat on their backs or with their faces buried into the pillow. And that is why their faces droop, their jaws get soft, and their eyes sink deeper every year. You're literally deforming your face every night. Start side sleeping with your head slightly elevated and your jaw lightly sealed. Use a firm orthopedic pillow that supports the neck without pressing the cheek. Show split screen before-after of facial asymmetry versus proper posture. 2. Fix your mouth posture. Every second counts. Mouth breathers destroy their facial structure. It lengthens your face, weakens your jawline, and gives that low-energy look that screams average. Keep your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth, front to back, lips sealed, nose breathing only. It's called mewing, but most of you are doing it wrong. This isn't about pushing hard, it's about consistency. The pressure should feel natural, not forced. Think long-term, not instant results. 3. Cut the inflammation face. Foods. Your face is bloated because of hidden inflammation. Sugar, seed oils, dairy. That's why your cheeks stay puffy and your jawline disappears under soft tissue. Cut processed foods for just 10 days. Focus on hydration, electrolytes, and clean fats. Olive oil, eggs, fish. You'll wake up with a tighter, drier, more defined face. 4. Train the face like a muscle. You hit the gym, but your face looks weak. That's because your facial muscles never get trained. They just atrophy. Result? Sagging cheeks, undefined jaw, droopy eyes. Do daily resistance chewing, 10 minutes a day using a jaw exerciser or hard chewing gum. Focus on symmetry. Within weeks, you'll see tighter definition and sharper angles. Chewing regular gum isn't enough. You need resistance. That's how you build mass and density in the jawline. 5. Stop killing your testosterone. Low testosterone ruins your face. Puffy cheeks, dull eyes, soft skin. Your entire aura looks passive. You look like prey, not a predator. Sleep 8 hours, sunlight first thing in the morning, cold showers, and lift heavy 4x a week. These habits spike natural testosterone, giving your face that chiseled, alert hunter energy. 6. The mindset that rewires your genetics. Most guys quit before they even see results because they think genetics are permanent. That's a lie. Your face adapts to the energy you live with daily. Weak mind, ichas weak expression. Train your identity before your muscles. Stop identifying as average. Walk, move, speak like a man with structure, purpose, and control. Over time, your facial tension, eyes, and posture will reflect it. If you actually want to change your face for life, stop scrolling glow-up hacks and start applying these 6 habits every single day. And if you're serious about leveling up, hit subscribe, because this isn't a trend, it's transformation.